by Design gives teams a common language to understand their individual and collective behavioral strengths. Use it to see how your people align with your team's strategic goals so you can achieve faster and better results. In this video, you'll learn how to create a team, add team members, reveal team and strategy types, and more. The Design homepage contains all the teams you have ownership permission for or teams you have permission to view. Quickly sort by team name, number of team members, or other insights such as team type and strategy type. You can also create a new team by clicking Create New Team. You'll be prompted to provide a team name and some optional details such as team function. We use these details to personalize your goal setting and strategy recommendations. If you're not ready to create a team, click Try Our Sample Team. This will load a team with sample data so you can see how it works before you start building. Feel free to explore the data and get an idea of how design works. After creating a team, you'll be brought to the team map. Here you'll see where team members fall based on their unique behavioral profiles. The team map is divided into 4 quadrants: teamwork and employee experience, innovation and agility, results and discipline, and process and precision. Where team members appear depends on their own behavioral pattern. For instance, a maverick known for their risk-taking and big-picture thinking may fall under innovation and agility. Meanwhile, a guardian, known for their detailed work and preference for structure, may fall under process and precision. By understanding where individuals on your team appear relative to one another, you can learn where their work styles are naturally aligned and where there may be tension. To highlight these behavioral nuances or to highlight specific team members, you can use Design's color-coded pins. Click the Actions button to the right of a team member's name and set a color. You can also designate your team lead or hide particular team members to explore various team combinations. Individual behaviors give you important insights, but they're ultimately pieces of a larger puzzle. To understand how your team works as a collective, you'll want to reveal your team type. Your team type summary provides a high-level look into how you work together. You'll also see a list of strengths and potential caution areas, similar to what you might expect when you're reviewing an employee or candidate's reference profile. Understanding your team type helps you understand the deeper behavioral dynamics of your team. You can then use that knowledge to see how well your team fits the strategy you're pursuing and find ways to improve that fit. When you're creating a team, you're prompted to provide optional background information about them. That information comes into play in Step 3, the Action Planner. Click Add Actions and you'll be asked to select between 3 and 5 actions for your team to take. These actions are recommended based on a machine learning model that takes into account a variety of inputs, including your team type and team function. You can also add your own actions. Once selected, your action items will be visible from the team page. Select an accountable owner, set a due date, and mark them as complete as you check items off the list. Revisiting these items regularly can help ensure your team is aligned to the work to be done. Your team type is just one piece of the equation. To understand where your team type may be helping or hindering you, it's important to define your strategic objectives. Under Advanced, select Set New Objectives. Select whether to use leadership or standard team objectives. We recommend leadership objectives for teams that primarily consist of people in management positions. You can change this at any time. Next, select the objectives that best fit your current team priorities. We recommend selecting up to 5 at a time. Once complete, you'll be presented with one of 10 strategy types. Whereas your team type represents the behavioral makeup of your team, your strategy type reflects the actual work you're pursuing. If there's a strong mismatch between the two, it may be a sign that you need to stretch the behavioral profiles on your team, add someone new to the team, or readjust your strategy accordingly. This is an advanced feature. For help understanding the relationship between your team type and strategy type, we highly recommend you reach out to your PI consultant. If you want to share a team with someone who isn't on it, use the Share function located on the right of the team page. Enter the email addresses of anyone you'd like to grant access to and select your desired permission level. We recommend View Access for visibility and Edit Access if you want people to make changes to the team. You can also see who already has access to this team and can modify their permissions as needed.